It's an immersive experience for our candidates who are able to participate in different sets of activities and get to know our alumni, staff, and other students that will be incoming. I would say it's the ability to participate as a student, as a future student, at IE events such as workshops, also be able to ask Q&As and Q&A sessions with our alumni, for example. So I would say it's a one-time experience. They can expect to be able to ask questions to the current students who are currently enrolled, also to better understand the programs and actually rethink their career choices. I would say anyone who's thinking about switching up a career or actually giving yourself a boost of a new opportunity would benefit from this event. They shouldn't miss it because it's a one-time opportunity for you, specifically if you're coming from abroad, for example, to get to know the real experience of IE University, not just from brochures or website or Zoom call. You're not going to lose anything if you attend. If anything, you will actually gain a lot of knowledge and be able to choose for yourself what you want to do.